In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation camo here on the Ryden 45k SMG in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and equip the Ryden 45k, go into the gunsmith, go to the customize tab and into the camo section, specifically into the zombies tab, and this is where you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to go ahead and complete in order to work your way up to Infestation. The first 9 camos are these military camos, and these are just going to be your 1,000 quick kills or headshot kills with the Ryden 45k. It sounds like a lot, it's actually not too bad. Obviously spawn in with this as your starting weapon in a survival map, and you'll knock this one out pretty quickly. It might take like 2 games, and it is a little bit tedious. Just aim for the head. You can do all the rest of the damage to the body. Just make sure that you finish them off with that head, and you'll complete this one pretty quickly. One thing I will say, for the rest of these challenges, unless I say otherwise, we're going to be in survival maps, so keep that in mind. For the first special camo, the mutilate camo, we have to get 300 eliminations with the dead wire ammo mod equipped. See, the thing is, you don't actually have to, get the kills with dead wire itself. They did change this. You just have to have dead wire activate, and then you can go ahead and get as many kills as possible. It doesn't have to be exclusively with dead wire that is killing those zombies. This one's just 300 kills. Make sure you have dead wire on, put it on as soon as possible, and you'll knock this out quick. For the solar camo, you got to get 5 quick kills rapidly 15 times with that Ryden 45k. This is essentially just 5 headshot kills 15 times in a row. It's honestly not that bad. Run up a train of zombies, aim for the head, you'll knock this one out. For the Pathfinder, you just have to have Cryo Freeze on and do the exact same thing that we did for the Mutilate camo. Just get 300 eliminations. Once again, this one's super simple. Just put Cryo Freeze on as soon as possible and you'll knock it out quick. For Golden Dragon, you got to get 10 kills rapidly 15 times. This one is actually unbelievably easy to do. It's just 150 kills total. It should only take you like 2 rounds max in the later rounds. And when I mean the later rounds, that's literally just round 20 plus. For Bloodstone, you do have to get Golden Dragon on all 6 SMGs before doing this challenge, but after you do have Golden Dragon on all 6 SMGs, all you need to go ahead and do is just get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. Run up a train, stay away from the zombies, and you'll knock this one out quickly. It's only 100 kills total. Just don't take damage, and you'll knock it out. For Doomsteel, you do have to get Bloodstone on all 30 weapons before you can come to this, but once you do that, all you got to do is eliminate 10 elite zombies with the Ryden 45k. Now, the strategy for this one is actually the only one that we don't use a survival map for. We're actually going to be using Ashes of Damned for this. And what you're going to do is grind all the way up to past round 16. And after you do get past round 16, go ahead and, take out that first Xerxes that's going to spawn in. And then just go into the fog. And every 2 to 5 minutes, there's going to be a Xerxes spawning in. That's where you're going to get those elite zombie kills quick. Stay in that fog. At max, this should take you around, 20 minutes. But sometimes things do happen and it ends up taking a little bit longer. Finally, though, the Infestation camo, you just got to get Doomsteel on all 30 weapons. This one is super simple. That's just all the primary weapons that are out in the game right now. But if it's easier to hop on a secondary camo, that's going to count towards this as well. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.